Hello and welcome to Season 9 of Microwave Me, the show where I microwave a lot of things you're not supposed to. And for the Season 9 debut of Microwave Me, I'm going to be microwaving some Blackberries. Yep, that's right. I'm going to be making a few changes to the show. One, I'm not going to put pressure on myself to have a cool beginning or a cool ending as much, but also after this, there's going to be a lot less chit-chat in the beginning. In a way, you can think of this as more of the Season 9 preview rather than the actual Season 9 debut. Alright, there's the Blackberries. They're ready to go into Jenny, the GE dual wave microwave. Oh, and another change for Season 9. I'm only going to call out the microwave by name in its first appearance of the season. It's a method of saving some time. Right, there's the Blackberries. Time to turn out the lights for dramatic effect. Alright, I'm going to put them in for 2, 3, 4, as that seems like a random enough time to start off Season 9. Well, it looks like the Blackberries are done. I'm going to give them some time to cool down. Alright, time to examine and remove the post-product from the microwave. Again, I realize that this was a pretty sucky season debut, but I promise next time I'll have something pretty cool that I'm going to do. You win a cookie if you can guess what it is. Anyways, this is, as I predicted it would be, very similar to the raspberries I did. This definitely would be what I consider safe. Do it yourself and then put them on your ice cream or in your pie or whatever.